Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually trying out a double chin headband, I guess, if that makes sense. So this is what it looks like. I got this on Amazon like months ago and I never tried it out. So I thought I would turn on the camera and try it out. We can experience this together. Anyways, I'm gonna try it out because obviously, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've always had this like double chin, right? When I'm heavier, obviously it's bigger. It's embarrassing. So when you take photos, you're kind of like, you know, you stick it forward and it looks slender. But I wonder if I can actually get rid of this. Like if this actually makes a difference. That's what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and just try this out together. This is for your ears right here. This is for your chin. So I'm going to pull my hair back. Now, I've never tried this before, ever. It is nighttime. It might not look like it because I have all my studio lights on, but it is nighttime and I'm going to bed very soon. So let's get a picture of what this looks like before. And then, okay, so you put your chin in it. And I look like Hannibal Lecter. I don't know if you guys heard me. It looks like I'm Hannibal Lecter. Okay, so you bring it down like this and pull your ears out. Now, how does it feel? So it's interesting. It's actually like tight on my chin. Let's pull it down more. Maybe it goes like this. So it is tight. Would it be uncomfortable to sleep in? I don't know, this feels just so weird. And I know I'm gonna screw up my hair. So I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna try to fix my hair so it's not like all crazy when I wake up. I'm gonna pull some hair out. I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so I think that's the best way for me to sleep in this thing without messing up my hair in the morning. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. You guys saw how I put it on. I know it looked really weird. You guys can see I just pulled it up. So when this lays down, it's hidden by all this hair, even if it has a crimp in it. It feels kind of uncomfortable, only because you have so much like tightness. It almost feels like it's going to leave a mark, maybe right here from the threading. I don't know. Let's go ahead and wait and see in the morning. I know I look ridiculous, but you know what? For those of you who have like severe double chins or bigger double chins than I do, hey, if this is like an instant thing overnight where you can see a drastic result in the morning, who doesn't want that? Especially if you have a nice event. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so let me give you the rundown on this bad boy right here. When it was on my chin, actually when it was on my entire face, it became the most intense, itchiest fabric I've ever put on my skin. I mean, like, it was like extreme itchy. And I was like, oh, I'm just gonna fight through the itchiness and wear it. And then, so I did. And then I had to like double fold it because the chin thing would almost like when you go to sleep, you kind of relax your neck. And then it felt like it was choking right here. So I felt like I was choking. And then I'm like, I'm just going to sleep through it. I'm just going to sleep through it. And then as I move, because I am a side sleeper, as I move, it kept falling off. So I was like, this product, and I even moved it. So you remember how I was wearing it with my hair up forward? I even try to mess up my hair and wear it the other way. It just does not stay still. You would think because it's clinging onto your ear right there, it does not stay still. So this product is a complete fail, and that's too bad because you guys can still see my double chin, but I'm just gonna have to live with it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give this product a total thumbs down. Hopefully you give this video a total thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.